Welcome to Boulevard City.
But
I'm with my...
we came different place, but unfortunately we couldn't go there.
Yeah, we were supposed to go in Boulevard World, but they said it's closed for 3 days. I don't know if my husband is lying to me. He just don't want to spend money there. So we come here in Boulevard. See Boulevard City. Huh? What? So extra his. I extra his. Sorry, father. Ito ang oh gosh. Ito ang center part.